This is how I caught the stock that exploded over 400% today on VWAV, and I'm gonna explain it so simple that your grandma could understand. So this is VWAV, and it ran from 3 all the way to almost 13 bucks a share this morning. And I caught it right here this morning in today's live trading stream with my students. And it was a lot easier than you think. Now, I wasn't really watching this going into the open today. It was a leading gapper, but it was really weak going into the bell, so I sort of took it off my list at first. But I was watching charts this morning after the bell, and I saw this thing start to get some volume. Now, going into the bell, of course, we had this big downtrend formed off these lower highs that, of course, we had to break above first. And this is where this became one of the best setups of the last trading week. Now, check this out. Okay, so lower high, lower high, lower high. Of course, we want to see it break above and pivot first. Well, we have awesome confluence. Check this out. So look right here. We have this yellow line that is a VWAP here right beneath the breakout level. So once price breaks out of this downtrend here, right here, what is right beneath price? VWAP and our moving averages. So not only do we have the break of trend, but we also have confluence with our moving averages and VWAP right at the same exact price level. So 3 pieces of confluence on that exact breakout level, beautiful. So now once it breaks out, we have to ask ourselves, do we have any range here to the upside? Can this make a move higher? So the first thing to check here is, of course, the pre-market high, which is sitting right here at 5. So we knew we had range to 5, but what comes after that? So as always, we look at the daily time frame to look for past areas of price. We can see here on the moving averages, we had room here to about 8 and 10. So we break over this downtrend formed after the bell and wait for price to confirm here off of VWAP. So I take the pullback entry here, risking off of VWAP off this breakout level, and of course get a massive move here towards $5 a share, which as you can see right here, pull back over VWAP and got this beautiful move all the way to over $5 a share. Absolutely insane. Now this thing ends up breaking a little bit higher here, makes a move towards about 7, but that's not where it ended. So I came back and had some beautiful re-entries for the move back up into the high of day off these pullbacks. Here's how I did it. Okay, so we look up at the high of day here and we can see double top off the high, pretty nasty grab of liquidity. See these big wicks off these highs? So that becomes an area of overhead supply. And of course, once price breaks above supply, it pulls back, confirms, now it becomes an area of demand. So take a look, price pulls back, confirms an area of demand here. Look at this, pulls back, big move to the upside, pulls back, and again confirms. Look at this candle right here. Confirms another pullback here. So now we know, look, this is a key area of demand here that we can be looking for pullbacks out of. So what do? I wait for price to pull back into this range again. I take an entry right here, gonna move back up into that previous high of day. Then as you can see right here, took a beautiful entry out of this area of demand and get a beautiful move here, as you can see, playing out to your right. So that is how I caught VWAV this morning before anyone else. And while most were chasing, I was early to the punch with the team over in the live trading stream today in that 7-day free trial. Let me know in the comments below if you traded this thing today. And of course, to watch me trade these things in real time every single morning, make sure to claim access to your 7-day free trial. And I will see you guys there.